girl summer, so you know she got it lit. Yeah. No, she got it lit. Hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit.
What's up, you guys? What's up? What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know I've been gone for more than a minute, but I'm about to start this thing back up. I'm gonna be doing like my college experiences. So if you guys did not know, I'm currently a freshman and I go to, well, I don't know if I want to tell y'all where I go because I don't know, but I'm in North Carolina. I'll tell y'all that. I'm not going to tell y'all which school I go to, but I'm in North Carolina. I'll probably tell y'all later. Yeah, I probably will, but right now I'm not. But pretty much, as you guys can see from the title of this is going to be it's just going to be me talking. So if you don't want to watch this, you can exit, you can skip. But I just felt like I might as well just document my time in college. I'm a freshman and I just pretty much like went through like freshman week. So if you guys don't know, or if you're watching, I think every HBCU has freshman week, but it's pretty much like a week where like you register, you get the feel of like your campus, your classes, you get your school ID, you get everything you need. Plus they have like, for our school they had an itinerary. So they had different events and seminars for us to go to, and pretty much every night we had an event or a party. So I'm pretty much like, this is the little itinerary. Like it was kind of thick. For us, we start like, today is Wednesday, August the 14th, and my first day of school was today. We started on a Wednesday because I started freshman week last Wednesday. So pretty much I'm just gonna talk about, and y'all know for real, like, this is when y'all go to college, y'all really start to see like who has not had freedom and who has had freedom, and it's ridiculous. Like, it's crazy. Like, it's really crazy. But if y'all see me like in the video looking past the camera or whatever, it's because like the way I'm set up, my room, I could see like everything. Like, my window is right here, I could see the whole campus. So like I was saying, Wednesday was my move-in day. I moved in, but with that, it was kind of like, it was a good move-in, but it was also kind of like, it was okay. I'm gonna say it was okay. I'm not gonna do too much of that one, but yeah. Okay, so yeah, I moved in. Moving took like all day for me to unpack my stuff, and I really like my room. I'm gonna give y'all like at the end of the video, I'm gonna do like a mini room tour. It's gonna be mini because as y'all can see, this shit is small, but it looks way better than it did when I first came in here. I think I'm gonna put in there, I'm gonna drop a picture of like the before. I did not know what it was given. Like, my bed is connected to the floor, the wall, and my roommate. So I was like, what is this? Like, I was not feeling it at all. And like, for me, I'm the type of person, like, if I don't feel comfortable, I'm not gonna like thrive. Like, I'm gonna want to go home, to be honest. Like, baby girl. But yeah, so Wednesday was that. Then we had an ice cream social. So that night it made me mad because like, it's your first night and we went to the ice cream social. They're gonna have it outside. Mind you, it's hot, and it's even more hot in North Carolina, y'all. Like, it's hot. Like, it is 91,000 damn degrees. I am sitting right next to my air conditioner, right next to it. It is on the lowest temperature, on the highest damn speed, okay? 64 degrees, and it's on turbo. What the fuck do I need to put this bitch on? Power Ranger? This is fucking unacceptable. So we went outside, well, me, my roommate, and my other friends that I mean. We went downstairs for ice cream social, and like what I was saying, like, I could see the campus. Like, we have a freshman square quad or whatever, and our quad is like literally right here. Like, I'm looking at it. So we had it down there, and the ice cream was melted. Nobody was out there, and they had a DJ. Nobody was out there, and I was mad because it's like, this is my first night. I'm thinking this shit finna be lit, and it wasn't giving. It really wasn't giving, y'all. It wasn't giving, like. So I was like, all right, maybe some people still moving in, because a lot of people came on Friday and people still moving in. So I'm like, all right, it's just the first day, like it's not that many people. We was also supposed to meet like our peer mentor and student leaders or whatever. I didn't meet them until yesterday. All right, what was I saying? Oh, so that was that. That was Wednesday. Then Thursday, what did I do Thursday? Y'all, Thursday, so I'm up and it's like, okay, Wednesday, you know, nobody came to the high school social or whatever. Whoop-de-whoop. So I'm up, you know, I was playing, no, y'all, let me tell y'all what happened. So yeah, nobody was at the ice cream social, so we got this lounge downstairs, and me and my friends, we this girl was like, we was at first cooling, like we was just chilling in the lounge, and then this girl was like, y'all trying to play Uno? So we was like, yeah, like she gave us her card and she was like, I'll be back, I'm about to go take a shower. So we started playing Uno. Then some boys started coming, so we like, cool, yeah, y'all could play Uno, whatever. That's when we was playing Uno. And when I play Uno, like, you can't play with me if you like to put a draw 2 or a draw 4. Like, no, that's dead. Period. So I was telling them, like, I don't play that way. And some of them tried to argue with me, and I was like, no, we're not playing like that. Even though it wasn't my card. But, like, I don't play like that. Like, who? No. I don't care. It does not say that in the handbook. So, no. But it's like a bunch of more boys came in. Like, it was like 10 boys that came in and 5 girls that came in. Then it was like 5 boys that came in, then it was 3 girls that came in. So after you, like, by like 11, it was deep in the lounge, like deep. And we all trying to play Uno, y'all. Like, it's only so, like, the deck was like this big. And before we started playing the game or whatever, it was already like a lot of people. And then we started adding more people in it. So I was getting mad, because you know when you're playing Uno with a bunch of people, like, bruh, it took, I'm not even trying to judge it, it took 10 minutes for me to even go, because everybody kept talking. They didn't know whose turn it was. So I was getting blown with that. And then it was like going on 12 or whatever. So I left. Me and my friend, me and my 2 other friends, we left and we went upstairs. And I went to my room, so they went to their room. And I wake up the next day and I come down, like when we come in our lobby, it's this sign that tells us when we have meetings, like it gives us updates and stuff. So it says we're banned from the lounge. It is no visitations from nobody. So I'm like, damn, what happened last night? So I go to like a seminar or whatever, and people was talking. They was pretty much saying how like girls had boys in their rooms. And but I'm not even gonna hold you up. When I was like asleep, I did hear niggas in the hallway, but I was just half asleep. Like, I didn't pay no mind for real. Oh, they was playing drunk Uno too. And my thing is, why? Like, that's the hottest spot to even do anything. Cause like, my lobby is like right here, and the lounge is like right here. And my thing is, how did you even get it in here? Like, they probably had book bags. I wasn't paying attention, but still. So like, we're still banned from the lounge a week later. So I'm mad about that, because I actually like the lounge. Y'all, we had touchscreen TV. I ain't never had no shit like that. So yeah, rest of the week for real, it wasn't, I mean, it wasn't much to do except for in the afternoon. That's when stuff was going on. So, but on Thursday though, I had to take a test, but they didn't even tell us. That's the thing that blew me, because they come banging on our door and the test is at 9. How you gonna bang on my door at 8:49 and expect me to be ready in like 10 minutes? That was dead. So I was late for that. I ended up having to take the test on Friday, because that test was packed. Like, that room was packed. The most I would see my classes at night. Like, I would never see any of them during the day. But the parties was fun. Like, I'm not even gonna hold y'all. Like, I see how people be like, don't come to college and get caught up in the parties. Them parties was fun. Like, fun, y'all. Like, fun. And you meet so many people, and like in the I think, yeah, this is the South, I guess, yeah, but they're so nice. Like, people down here are really, really nice. Like, really nice. Like, they do not care. They are really, really nice. Like, real, and then they genuinely care. At this block party, the block party was fun. Stuff didn't get lit till the upperclassmen started to come, which is sad, but like, my class is dry. Or like it's only like a handful of us that's not dry. The rest is not support. Y'all got my nails done. I'm so mad. Bruh, the nail salon down here charged too much. Like, they charged too much. That blew me. And then this broke. Oh yeah, so my school, it's not like a religious school, but it's how you pronounce this? It's like Episcopalian. I think I said that wrong. But if you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, it's pretty much that. And for freshmen, we have a class called Freshman Experience, and we have to go to church for 10 credits. Hold on, let me make sure I unlocked this bathroom. Y'all like my outfit? Oh shit. In a YouTube video. I mean, I don't want to be rapping because I know some of y'all probably not even gonna watch this, or y'all gonna skip past this. So let me just get to the good part. I'm gonna show y'all my room.